Hey friends, welcome to my channel Technoprerak. Today I am going to speak about new latest Oppo A83 2018 model specifications, unboxing. So let's start with specification. Oppo A83, all the models irrespective of 2018 or previous model, all are 5.7 inch HD plus, which is 720 into 1440 resolution display. It's not full HD display, it's HD plus display, and it comes with two previous 2017 variant, plus they've added one more variant, 2018 variant. So 2GB RAM, 3GB RAM or 4GB RAM. The 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is the latest one, which has been introduced by Oppo in around February 2018. So let's start. I already unboxed, and now I'm just opening the wrapper, and I can see the two volume knobs, and yes, it is a screen. Yeah, looks nice. There is a SIM card tray I can see, and the camera and the flash, LED flash. Yeah, the volume notch, and there is a speaker, and there is a USB cable and audio microphone and volume up down keys. Yeah, and yeah, looks good. Yes. Yes, so there is nothing. Yeah, that's the pin where you can insert the SIM. That's all. Yeah, look at it. And I just booting it. The booting is quick. It's not taking too much of time. Just see how quick it boots, and the performance is also good. I have 4GB variant with me, so see, this is booted and it's asking for the language and it's connecting. Yeah, so just this is a box. All the models are having a face recognition feature. You can unlock your phone by just staring to the phone, and the face recognition is very quick. I can show you the demo. I have locked it. So here it's open. See, I am locking it, and yeah, it's open. It's very quick. So facial recognition is very quick, very fast. There is no fingerprint sensor. Apart from that, the back design is not metal, it's carbonated. It has got LED flashlight. You can check this here. It says got LED flashlight. Front also it has got LED flashlight. In terms of sensor, it has got all the sensors. Whatever sensor the current phone has, it has, meaning all the latest phone in mid-range like 15,000-20,000, all the sensors Oppo has provided. So there is no negotiation in terms of sensor. The performance, I have 4GB RAM variant, and the performance is good. I haven't observed any lagging while doing day-to-day tasks, and the battery is also day task. I'm a moderate user, so my main task involves viewing mails, checking my mails and some of the WhatsApp, and sometimes playing videos. So in a moderate usage, it lasts for a day, and the charging is also not so bad. It's not quick charge, but it's charging quickly. It has got AI, artificial intelligence modulated camera. So it will, Oppo says it's recognize your age and your skin tones, and it enhances your selfie. So for selfie, this phone is, yes, it is good. Even the back camera, I say it's not bad. It's good, but it is not very good. And in terms of pricing, the 3GB variant is coming at around 12,000 or 11,500, and 2GB I have not seen it so far, so I don't know about the pricing, but Oppo says the 2GB variant is also available. So, but again, with 12,000 pricing, there are so so much of competition available for Oppo. I have bought this phone because I like the camera, and I got this on Amazon sale. So write your opinion in the comment section, and if you have any query, do write back to me. And I think for now I have covered everything, so it's time to say bye bye. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.